In this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cells in a Google Sheet. So what we have here is some dates and we would like to clear the cells. Now what you can do, you can go on each cell and click on delete on your keyboard to delete them, but you can also easily select them all and then just click delete. And now the cells are cleared. But we still have the borderlines in this sheet. If you would like to clear them too, just select those and after that go to borderlines, then go to this one, clear borders, and as you can see it is now resetted completely. Let's for example color them, and if you would like to change the color back to the original color of the sheet, then just select it and then go to colors and then click on reset. And now you have successfully cleared cells in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!